So after I complete doing the if statement, I can begin my else statement. So I'll go to where the closing parenthesis for the if statement is, which is this one right here, and I can begin typing my else statement. So I'll do else and open curly bracket, UIView dot animate keyframes in parentheses with duration 5, delay 0, options dot calculation mode linear, animations open curly bracket. Then I'll do UI view dot add keyframe in parentheses with relative start time 0.0, relative duration 0.25, closing parenthesis, open curly bracket, self dot my image dot center equals CG point parenthesis x self dot view dot bounds dot min x y colon self dot view dot bounds dot max y closing parenthesis. And we can finish that off with a closing curly bracket which automatically generated. And I'm getting an error, and it's because I forgot a dot after the bounds here, so let me add that. And then I can return and begin another UIView statement. So I'll say UIView.add keyframe in open parenthesis with relative start time colon 0.5 relative duration colon 0.25 open curly bracket self my image dot center. Actually, it's self dot my image dot center, so I will put that. And then the same as always, equals CG point, and then I begin my coordinates x 0 y self dot view dot center dot y closing parenthesis, and then I can begin a third UI statement. So UIView dot add keyframe, and that should be an uppercase K, keyframe with relative start time colon 0.75 relative duration colon 0.25, and then open curly bracket self dot my image dot center dot x equals self dot view dot center and dot x. So I believe there is no parenthesis there. Actually, there is for the with relative start time. So I'm getting an error, so oh, I see. So I wrote relative duration, not relative. So that I think should fix it. And then I have one more here. Self.myimage.center.x equals So let me look at this. Okay, I see. There definitely is no closing parenthesis. I thought there was because of this, but that is being closed over here. So that should fix that. And then we can change the shrink variable after all of this. So we will set shrink equal to the opposite of shrink. So basically it's bouncing between the two. And if we play that and let it build, we will begin to see the components appear on the screen. And if we click the button, it should begin to animate. Nice. So as you can see, it moves a bit like a screensaver, and that completes the program.